The city of Cincinnati has nearly $300 million coming its way as part of a newly signed pandemic relief bill. And one city council member wants to devote $50 million to affordable housing. WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley explains exactly where the money would go and why the initiative may be in for an uphill battle.
The city is short 28,000 units of affordable housing, and elected officials agree that closing that gap is important. But there's also a laundry list of other priorities that may chip away at that $50 million goal.
Money can be spent quickly. We want to make sure we do it responsibly.
And for Councilmember Jan-Michele Lemon Kearney, that means devoting a significant slice of the Queen City stimulus money to the Affordable Housing Trust Fund. It was allocated $700,000 in 2018.
Folks are struggling because they're spending a lot more of their income on housing. Some can't afford housing at all.
She filed this motion while the city waits to find out exactly how the $290 million the city is getting can be spent, saying she wants to make it clear housing is a priority.
There are some restrictions and rules about the use of this money, which we haven't seen yet.
Fellow council member David Mann applauds the idea, but says $50 million is steep as the city also meets the growing needs of police, fire, and public works.
Obviously, we want to take care first of basics of longstanding needs.
And he worries about hard-to-meet obligations down the road.
If we spend $50 million out of the money from the feds, and the charter amendment passes, we would be required to spend another 50, and that is really a problem in terms of the rest of our budget.
Still, Kearney is confident about what that money could do for the city and the people struggling to call it home.
Everybody on council is working toward increasing affordable housing.
Kearney tells me council is waiting on a status report about that affordable housing trust fund while they also wait for the city administration to come forward with their recommendations for all of that federal money. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.